Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HubSpot property history and field audit, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update HubSpot property history, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard. In the top menu, click on Settings. On the left sidebar, locate and select Properties. Use the search bar to find the specific property you want to update. Click on the property name to view its details. To view the property history, scroll down to the Property History section. Here, you will see all changes made to this property. If you need to update an option or value, go back to the property settings. Make the necessary changes in the relevant fields. Once your updates are complete, click the Save button. Next, to conduct a field audit, go back to the properties list in the settings. Review the fields to ensure they align with your current business needs. Check for any outdated or duplicate properties. To delete a property, select the property and click Delete in the options. Confirm the deletion if prompted. For any new fields, click the Create Property button. Fill out the required information and select the property type. After filling everything out, click Create to finalize your new field. Lastly, revisit the property history for any further changes and adjustments. This process ensures your HubSpot properties remain accurate and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.